when it comes to your roofs, it's better to work with a company that actually cares for you, someone or a company that has experience in the roofing industry. And I can't think of someone more capable of leading this company than Michael Jones. A lot of facilities managers see him at trade shows and he's so animated and he's very enthusiastic about roofing and asks everyone, about their roofs and their roof leaks. And he's very engaging when it comes to talking to facilities managers about roofing and solving facilities managers' roofing problems. And that's not just because he's part of this company, and he truly and genuinely loves what he does. He's been in the roofing industry since he was a little child. He learned from his dad and from his grandpa. And so over the years, he has learned a lot about this industry, the ups and downs, the changes in the quality of materials, the changes in the different manufacturers and the types of service that they provide, or how there has become a lack of customer service over the years. And so for you, the facilities manager, when you choose WeatherWeld, you also choose the experience of someone that has been in this industry for a very long time.